Welcome back to the shop. We got more truck parts. That's right. Good. A big shout out to Steve from North American Trailer, hooked me up with the wishbone and these awesome minimized fenders. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it.
We got the bushings in. We got that front leaf spring bushing. That's, I don't know, right up in there. And then the other one over in here. So now we're going to change out this wishbone right here. I think that right there is a pretty good view. All right, let's get to it. $15. And I got a 15 there. Out. I love this drill, this impact. It is nice. Now we gotta get a deep well. Come on. I ain't gonna jinx myself. I am not going to jinx myself. Bayhammer. Ooh, pry bar. Here we go. Okay. Let's see if we can screw it out. What happened? That worked. Okay. Now, Oh. There's all their washers. Let's see here. Where's the new one? Are these directional? Oh, I was gonna paint this before I did this, but oh well. I don't know. Oh yeah, I guess if we It seems to be the same, but these are not the same. Okay. Makes me wonder. Wonder. Yeah. Anyhow, let's get this out. Okay, that one's coming a little bit tougher, so I'll do this. What's going on with this thing? Okay. I mean, it doesn't look absolutely horrible, but I'm wondering if maybe I don't just take these two in and make sure. I really want to put it in, but I really don't want to wreck it. This was $160. Well, this is pretty easy to pull out, so we're going to put the old one back in. I'm going to take a picture of this, and then I'll stop by somewhere. I'll either get a hold of Brian, my mechanic buddy, or we'll stop by North American Trailer and talk to those guys and see if the one I have is supposed to be turned a little bit, or if they turn. Let's see, let's put it in there and see if it will turn. If it turns, then I ain't too worried about it. Oh yeah, it turns. All right, perfect. But we're gonna put the sticker up so that I can take it off. Okay, this is actually pretty easy. All right, where's our favorite juicy juice? Oh, the copper stuff. Yeah, you know, I'm not putting new bolts back on, but I don't have them. After this, we'll put bolts back in on the upper parts of the spring hangers, like I was going to a couple episodes ago. That's interesting. why this thing. This. Oh, what the heck? It won't go into forward. Oh, man. All right, well, let's see. There it is. And all the Ooga Doogas. Okay. Anyhow. I don't need you anyhow. Now I notice on this, there's a little bit of a gap here. So, I wonder if that's means this was, well, I'm going to get this thing aligned once at some point. But, wonder if it was, well, I'm sure it wasn't in alignment with those bushings the way it was. And it's done. Well, it's going back and forth easy now. I don't know what was wrong with it. That away, put this away. It's nice. Well, actually, it's kind of raining out today. I want to drive it. All right, so what's our next to do? That done, that done. I think now we're going to start building our hitch. Yeah, let's start that. All right. Now, yes, I just got to use the bolts that I bought. Two, four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Okay. Huh. I don't have bolts? Or I got bolts, I don't have nuts. What the heck? Seriously? I mean, kidding me? I went and got bolts, but I didn't get nuts. Well, we might be. Where are we going to put these? Should we hide them or put them on the outside? I'm going to put them on the inside with the nut. Bother. That's got to come out. It's not out, but I got to loosen this and turn it. Actually, I think I'm going to take the grinder and cut this off. There's no need for that. Yeah, I think we're going to do that. And I don't have enough washers. Or was I just going to do washers on the inside? There's washers on the inside, everything else, so. All right, I need washers. And we got 3 left. And nuts. I need washers and nuts. 3/4. But we're not just doing this. We're doing this. We're going to take one of these with us. That way we know we have the right one. Da-dang it. Yeah, okay. No need to use those ones because I'm going to go get new ones anyhow. We're not driving it anywhere, so. All right. Let's see what time it is and probably go take a quick trip to the store. Let's make a note. Because I will forget. used to have black markers around here somewhere. Lord knows where those are. 3/4 nuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3/4 washers. Spelt that wrong, but it doesn't matter. You can't see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to say 8. I'll go 10. I'm sure I'll use them at some point. And then nuts washers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. I got 2 left over. That should be enough. 1 there. 1 there. And 1 there. 4 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that should be enough. 3/8 or 3/4 nuts, 8 of those, and 10 3/4 washers. Okay, I'll just take a picture of that and take it with me. And we'll take this with, make sure we get the right, what we need. Actually, we're going to take a washer with us too. Well, I mean, in all honesty, a washer's a washer. They're going to get painted. Same thing. All right. Scratch the washers. We just need nuts. We got washers here. This is not 3/4. Not these ones. Yeah, okay. You go down there. Those ones look pretty rough. These ones look better. All right, so just nuts is all we're getting. I still gotta do that. Oh, what size? That's a big one. Oh, let's see here. It's a tad. Where's the 15? I got. Where's the deep 15? Inch and an eighth, which we need for these. It's right there. On the drill and the impact that I need. Yep. All right. We're still going to take this with us, though. Well, we could take one of these. I'll just take this, then that way they know it's an old bolt. I can go in there. This can go on here. On there. Another 3/4 washer. I do. All right, let's run to town. Alrighty, back from town with our bolts. Of course, I don't know, whatever bolt I had. Yeah, here's the bolt I was going to take with me sitting on my bench, but pretty sure I got 3/4, so that's what I needed. Get these put on. And there's the boss. I'm going to work on a school project today. Yep, filming. The nuts were $1.89 a piece. So if I had got 10 of them, it would have been 18 bucks, or I could have got 20 of them for, I think it ended up being 26 and some change, or 24 and some change. I had 24.65. That's what it was. So I just bought 20 of them. Sure, I'll end up needing them somewhere. All right. This we got 1 and 1/8. With all the, look at those. Nope. Four more. All right, one more. Yep, one more. Oop, wrong way. Oh boy. All right. Those are on. I don't know if it's taking it out of my drill or out of the impact, but there is tiny shavings coming from somewhere. I think it might be off the sockets here. All right, bolts are in. I think now we go to the hitch. I gotta think of how I want to do this. If I put these on, bring them out here far enough, I can include them onto all of this. But I don't know if I want to include them onto all of this. I'm going to do some thinking, and I'll come back to you. Turn you back on when I figure it out.